Hi there everyone, welcome to this tutorial for the ukulele play-alongs of I Don't Want to Start the World on Fire as originally recorded by the Ink Spots. The play-alongs are on the Uke Play-alongs channel on YouTube, and this tutorial is both on the Uke Play-alongs channel and also on the Uke Stuff channel. What we're going to do in this video is, first of all, we'll talk about the chords needed for GCEA, soprano concert tenor ukulele. Then we'll talk about the chords needed for baritone DGBE ukulele. And then I'll give you some ideas for strumming. If you want to support the work on this channel, there are three things you can do. First of all, you can like this video. Second, you can subscribe to this channel. And third, you can always buy me a cup of coffee to say thank you for making this content at www.buymeacoffee.com/UkeStuff. All right, so let's begin with the chords you need for GCEA soprano, concert, or tenor ukulele. There's a lot of them here. So here's the G chord first, then a B diminished 7. You can play it as a bar chord, but what I do is I put my first two fingers down on strings 4 and 2 at the first fret, and then my other two fingers down afterwards. A minor 7, no fingers are pressed down. The Hawaiian D7. Now, very similar. The G diminished 7 is only a two-finger chord. So if you're already there on D7, just slide over to strings 3 and 1 at the first fret. An A minor chord. The next chord is the C minor chord. Take your first finger, put it across strings 3, 2, and 1, right above the metal third fret. Pull against the fretboard like this and play all 4 strings. The D minor chord. That's much like the F chord, but you add another finger to it. The next one is the D minor 7. There what you do is you put your pinky down on the first string 3rd fret. Then a G7 chord. Finally the C chord. An E minor 7. If you remember the D7 from earlier or the G diminished 7, this one's very similar. E minor 7, 2 fingers, strings 3 and 1 at the 2nd fret. And finally an A7. And those are the chords you need to play I Don't Want to Start the World on Fire on GCEA soprano concert tenor ukulele. Now let's talk about baritone. All right, baritone, you're going to start with the G chord, then a B diminished 7. It's a 2-finger chord. First finger is going to go on the 3rd string, 1st fret. Second finger is going to go on the 1st string, 1st fret. An A minor 7, so play your A minor chord, but then add your pinky to the 1st string, 3rd fret. A D7, a G diminished 7. So I put down 2 fingers first on strings 4 and 2, right above the metal 2nd fret, and then I put my other 2 fingers down. Now we have that A minor that we talked about earlier. A C minor, put down 2 fingers, strings 4 and 2 at the 1st fret, then add your pinky to the 1st string, 3rd fret. There's your C minor. D minor chord, your D minor 7, I would play this as a partial bar chord. First finger is going to cover strings 1 and 2 right above the metal, 1st fret, pull against the fretboard like this, add your thumb for some support, and then add the 2nd finger to the 3rd string, 2nd fret. Your G7 chord, your C chord, your E minor 7, no fingers are pressed down, and then A7. First finger goes across all 4 strings right above the metal 2nd fret. Pull against the fretboard like this. Add your thumb for some support. Then play the 1st string 3rd fret with your 2nd finger. That's the A7 chord. And those are the chords you need to play I Don't Want to Start the World on Fire on baritone DGB ukulele. Now let's talk about strumming. Now, as we talk about strumming, please remember that there was no ukulele in the original version of this song, so there's not one single right strum for the song. There are 3 rules to strumming. Number 1, play the right chord at the right time. Second, keep a steady beat, keep a steady tempo. And third, make sure that whatever you are playing, that it matches the style of the music. As long as you're doing those 3 things, you're right. There is not one singular right answer. But I will give you a couple of ideas. First of all, at the intro, there's sort of one of those like almost Western sounding boom ba-dum da entries. And if you want to play something like that, what I would do, I would just pick strings 3, 2, 1 and going back and forth. So I'd play like the G chord, switch back to the B diminished 7, take off all my fingers, play the A minor 7, then I'd make the D7 and play strings 3, 2, 1 again. If you want to do that, that's what you could do. Otherwise, there is one strum that I think works through most of the song, although I'll give you one other idea as well. So now I'm about 15 seconds into the song, and I am going to show you the strum pattern that I would use with the 3 chords you see at the beginning here, the G diminished 7, and the A. And what I hear first and foremost is something like this. Down, down, up, 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 down. So just simply going down, down, up, down, down, up is going to work really well through the song. And whenever you have a chord change, you just make sure you're doing one single down. So again, it's just down, down, up, 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 down. That would work really well. The only other thing that you might want to try doing is playing string 3 and then string 4 when you have enough time. So be thumb, down, up, thumb, down, up, thumb, down, up, thumb, down, up. On the G chord alone, it'd be 3, down, up, thumb, down, up, 3, down, up, 4, down, up, 3, down, up, 4 with the thumb, 3 with the thumb, 4. You could do that too as well. So it sounds something like this. What I'm doing there is I'm making sure that whenever I change a chord, I'm picking the 3rd string. I don't think I'd get caught up in that though. I think I would just be going down, down, up, down, down, up. That's probably what I would personally choose to do, although you can play with any kind of picking or strumming that you'd like to for the song. All right, so with all those chords and with those ideas for strumming, that's all you need to do to be successful on I Don't Want to Start the World on Fire. Thanks so much for joining for this video. I hope you're having a great day, and I'll be back soon with some more Uke stuff for you.